Why does your scanner show the P0840 engine code? What does it mean? P0840 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor, or switch A circuit. It indicates there's an issue with the electrical signal or functionality of the sensor that monitors transmission fluid pressure. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Transmission fluid pressure sensor failure. Low transmission fluid level. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Wiring issues. Internal transmission problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Honda, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.